Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Tech for Tichy again. We have bring you the best tech update for all the latest in the world of technology, latest tech news, innovation, uncovering the hottest gadgets, and exploring the future of tech. So grab your seat and join me on this electrifying journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Let's start the video. First tech news is coming from Realme. After Redmi 13C, Realme is following same footsteps. Realme has launched most affordable 5G phone, Realme C67. As Redmi and Realme use same chipset, but Realme's camera is better performing as per sources. Next tech news is coming from Apple. Apple is selling standalone second-generation AirPod Pro USB-C case for $99. Next tech news is from tech giant Nubia. Nubia Z60 ultra boxy design, beautiful looking phone, will become with IP68 rating. Next tech news is very interesting. It must be heard recently, Google has developed AI Gemini. According to sources, this latest invention that can use in Android apps. Isn't that amazing? Please let me know on comment below. Guys, wait is over. Redmi Note 13 series will be launched on January 4. There will be two devices. One is Redmi 13 Pro. Another one is Redmi 13 Pro Plus. Pro Plus will have 6.67-inch 1.5K AMOLED display. MediaTek Dimensity 7200 Ultra. 200 megapixel Samsung ISO cell sensor camera, 120 watt fast charging, MIUI 14. On paper, specifications are very good. After launch, price will be matter. Let's moving to next tech news. Good news for iPhone lovers. His first render images are leaked for iPhone 16 prototype. As per this image, iPhone 16 will be major change in design. Let me know below what you think about this. Next tech news is also from Apple. iOS 17 is a good operating system, but Apple can still improve quite a bit, especially in the notification department. Next, big tech news from iqoo. Guys, if you remember, there is few days ago, iqoo has launched their flagship phone iQOO 12, and now according to sources, they're again ready to launch their another. Best flagship iQOO Neo 9 and 9 Pro. iQOO Neo 9 Pro crossed 2.3 millions on AnTuTu benchmark. Also, it's expected to come with MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chip. The device has listing on 3C certification. Probably it will launch globally soon. Let's moving forward. There is a leaks from Tipster. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, coming with flat display and iconic S Pen. Next tech news is also from Samsung. Samsung is working on Galaxy Buds and in future could offer you real-time language translation. Last, not the least, Apple is collecting data from devices to improve augmented reality, location accuracy in maps. That's all for today's tech news. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel for further update. Thanks for watching.